Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer a MySQL database using Mysqldump and imports easy tutorial step by step clearly. To transfer a MySQL database using Mysqldump and imports, begin by opening your command line interface. Ensure that you have MySQL installed on your system. Log into your MySQL server using the command MySQL username p. Replace username with your actual MySQL username. Enter your password when prompted. Next, identify the database you wish to export. To create a dump of the database, use the following command: Mysqldump username p database_name database_dump.sql. Replace database_name with the name of your specific database. This command generates a file named database_dump.sql containing your database data. Once the dump is complete, you can transfer this SQL file to your desired destination. You can use tools like SCP, FTP, or a USB drive for transferring the file. Now, log into the MySQL server on the destination machine. To import the database, first create a new database using the command create database new_database_name. Be sure to replace new_database_name with the preferred name for your new database. After creating the database, use the following command to import the SQL dump: MySQL username p new_database_name database_dump.sql. Replace new_database_name with the name you just created. Enter your password when prompted. The import process will start, and all the data from your SQL dump will be restored to the new database. Once the import is complete, you can verify the data by checking the new database. Log into the MySQL console and use the command use new_database_name. Then, use the command show tables to see the tables in your newly imported database. That's it. You have successfully transferred your MySQL database using Mysqldump and imports. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.